Out will either roll up, or on this brass a lot of times it chips up. Sometimes you'll run into the pins, like the pivot pin for the blade, and usually that's not much of a problem. You can engrave right through it or around it without any problem at all. Jeweler's vise, rather than trying to maneuver the engraving tools, they're made to go straight. That's the way they're designed. It takes a certain amount of discipline to get where you can get everything down right. Here, I'd like to tell you that when you get to the end, I would not recommend that you buff this. It takes all the brilliance out of the engraving. Remember, the higher you raise the tool lift, the deeper that you will engrave, the lower, the lighter the stroke or the cut. This is making very deep engraving. After some wear, that will get dirty down in there, and you can polish that off, and that will just look fantastic.